You followed the recipe exactly. So why did you pull a heavy, gummy brick out of the oven instead of light, airy bread? Here's the truth nobody tells you. A dense loaf is almost never about your recipe. It's about gas. And one simple test predicts it before you even bake. Stick around because by the end you'll never bake a brick again. First, let's kill the biggest myth. That dense bread means you need more yeast. Dumping in extra yeast usually makes it worse. Bread rises because yeast makes gas, and gluten traps it in thousands of tiny balloons. If your loaf is dense, one of those two things failed: the gas or the net that holds it. More yeast can't fix a broken net. Cause number 1 is weak gluten. When you underknead, the dough can't build a strong, stretchy web, so the gas just leaks out, like blowing air into a bag full of holes. The fix is the windowpane test. Stretch a piece thin enough to see light through it without tearing. If it rips, keep kneading. Strong gluten means strong balloons. But here's the cause that gets almost everyone. The real plot twist: underproofing. Impatient bakers put the loaf in too early, before the yeast has filled the dough with gas. It looks ready, but inside it's barely inflated, and it bakes into a tight, heavy crumb. Proofing isn't about the clock, it's about the dough actually being ready. And that's the test I promised, the poke test. Gently press the dough with a floured finger. Springs back instantly? It needs more time. Springs back slowly and leaves a small dent? Perfect, bake it now. Doesn't spring back at all and sinks? You've gone too far. One poke tells you everything you need to know. Wait, too far? Yes, you can overproof. Leave dough too long, and the gluten exhausts. The bubbles burst, and the whole thing collapses in the oven into a flat, dense pancake. Underproofed is dense and tight. Overproofed is dense and flat. You're aiming for the sweet spot right between them. 2 more silent killers. First, dry dough. Packing in too much flour makes a stiff mass that just can't expand, so stop dusting so heavily while you knead. Second, dead yeast. Water hotter than about 55 degrees kills yeast on contact. Warm, never hot. Lukewarm is your friend. So to bake light, airy bread, build strong gluten with the windowpane test. Hydrate enough that the dough is soft and slightly tacky. Use lukewarm water so the yeast survives. And most important, proof until the poke test says it's ready, not until a timer does. Do that and you'll cut into a loaf full of big, open, airy holes. So remember, dense bread isn't a recipe problem, it's a gas problem. Weak gluten lets the gas escape. Underproofing never makes enough. Overproofing loses it all. Strong net, enough gas, perfect timing. That's the whole secret to light bread. Try the pokey test on your next loaf and watch it rise like never.